Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to part 2 of our Twitch emote meaning explanation video, where I teach you all the things related to Twitch culture and the memes so you don't have to feel like you're not part of our inside circle. I know, it's exclusive. I can't wait. God, are you ready to no longer be a normie and be one of us? I feel like this is a very appropriate hoodie to wear in this video. Wow, so smooth, so nice. I got this at TwitchCon in 2018 and oh, I love it. It's like the comfiest thing. You can't see it, but it's actually way too big on me. Also, to those of you guys who are new here, hello, my name is Syara. Most people know me as Chibi. That's the name that I go by when I stream on Twitch. If you like to play some video games with me or maybe chat in real time, don't forget to check out my Twitch channel. The link is down in the description. But while you're here on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Alright, let's get into the video, shall we? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about BTTV and FrankerFazy emotes. So if you don't know, Twitch really likes Pepe the Frog. Don't ask me why, I think he's ugly too. They call him the sad frog meme, which I guess a lot of streamers are miserable. Wow, did I just roast myself? Anyway, there's two variations of Pepe. There's Pepe and there's People. Let's get on to the emote, shall we? Monka S is used when you're sweating or shaking when you're scared or weirded out by something. In other words, yikes. He asked you for feet pics? Monka S. I notice a lot of streamers tend to say Monka, blah 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 Monka, blah 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 Monka. And from Monka S, we have Monka W, which is basically a zoomed in picture of Monka S. That's pretty much what chat spams when they're freaking out about something. There's Monka W, Monka Monka TOS, and Monka Gun. Monka TOS is used when you're breaking the terms of service. Basically, if someone says something sus or politically incorrect, that's when they use Monka TOS. Papega. Papega is the politically correct way of calling someone dumb or slow. In real Twitch terms, I guess they call it calling someone retarded, but I don't like using that word, so we're just gonna go with dumb or slow. Oh my gosh, the keys are right there, forehead. Are you Papega? Did you just fall off the cliff and lose all your items in Minecraft? What a Papega. Pepe Hands. Pepe Hands is basically a crying emote. And then we have the Feels Good series. Feels Good Man, which is basically when you're happy. Feels Bad Man, when you feel bad for someone. Feels Birthday Man, when it's your birthday. You can use feels with any adjective that you want in the middle with man after. Feels chibi, man. Hypers. Hypers is when you're excited. People think. This is pretty self-explanatory. White people happy. I guess it's kind of like grinning from ear to ear. Usually it's used when something is wholesome, pure and innocent and good. Something just really wholesome. White people sad. This is a stretched out people that's really sad. People blanket. This is when you're comfy. We tend to sit on our gaming chairs for a really long time, so having an emote like that is just... And then there's Pepe Please. This is when you're sad, as you can see from the sad face, and you have accepted a situation. Pepe Jam. People also use Blob Dance. This is when good music is playing and you're just vibing to the music. Ree! I think this is really funny because people tend to say this when they're tilted. I also kind of use this in public and I really shouldn't because people don't understand when things go wrong and I just have to re at the situation. When I park in the wrong place and I can't seem to get into my parking spot, re! When I'm running out of time, re! So re is kind of like panicking or you're very tilted, and honestly, I tend to overuse this word and I really should stop doing that. However, rest assured that when you're on Twitch chat or when you're streaming, nobody is gonna look at you funny when you use re. Just don't use it in real life like I do. Here's some extra emotes from FrankerFazy or BTTV that is not really related to Pepe the Frog, but I feel like I should share with you guys. We have POSCHAMP, which is basically when you're anticipating something. When a good part is happening soon and you're anticipating it, POSCHAMP. Kick W is another thing that I realized my friends tend to say a lot. They would say kick. I don't know why it's this emote because it actually came from the Korean way of laughing, which is... Is that the sound that you make or am I just being weird? That's what my mod does. That ain't right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I had a lot of fun making it. I am at day 7 of my 30-day YouTube challenge, and honestly, I'm feeling good. I'm really happy that I'm able to post a video every single day for 7 days. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button because you'll be seeing this face for another 23 days, every single day, here to entertain you, and I hope you get to learn a thing or two. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!